What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Overture's PETG in blue. So one of the things I am a fan of when it comes to Overture, especially the newer boxes, is the fact that they have easy to open boxes. There's no sticker or anything on the seal. Also, the fact that it comes in this nice Mylar bag, that it has a Ziploc kind of seal there. If you need to utilize these in a pinch, they make very good storage solutions if you don't have something else. So anyway, as you can see, it's this nice blue color. Absolutely amazing. Very rich, noble cobalt blue. Always great to see. Anyway, as you know here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the filament dryer, and I'll see you back here shortly. All right, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio, in this case, generic PETG. So we're going to go ahead and get this sliced up, and should take a little over an hour, and send that off to the printer, along with all the other test prints. Here they are. So, like I said, we start out with that generic benchy. As you can see, turned out very well. No stringing, no real issues on the surfaces. Nothing really major. Maybe a little bit of stringing, but nothing too major. So we're going to see about rectifying that slight stringing. But yeah, overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral boss mode. A little bit of an issue getting it off the build plate. I think I picked it up when it was too hot. Just something to be on the lookout for. But other than that, it was fine. Next up, the temperature tower. The best temp for this one, I would say, is 240 degrees Celsius. That one had the least amount of stringing, no globbing, nothing like that. And that's pretty standard for PETG. Next up, we had the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well. I did pick it up a little bit off the plate when it was hot, so that's why there's a little bit of deformation there. Next up, the max volumetric speed test. Max volumetric speed for this one was 28 millimeters cubed per second. No real major issues as far as I can tell, other than it got stuck a little bit more to the build plate than I would have anticipated. So a little bit of the raft came off. So, it happens. Or brim. Anyway, next up, we had the overhang test. Overhang test did succeed, but there was a little bit of loss of quality around 70 degrees. Anyway, we got those things dialed in, and we reprinted that benchy. As you can see, worked out very well, no real issues. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $18, which is an amazing deal for PETG and for a kilogram of this type of consistent filament. Overall, my thoughts on this one is that if you're looking for a good, nice blue PETG, this one's pretty good, especially at that price point, which you love to see. Anyway, that's been Overture's PETG in blue. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all those nice YouTube things, share with your friends, all that stuff. I'm a relatively new YouTube channel, so I'd really greatly appreciate it, and it does go a very long way. Anyway, I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks.